Social media na cruise until a turn problem. One guy for Lagos just post ordinary meme, next thing, police show for him office. Abeg, how meme take carry person reach court? Make I yarn you. If na your first time here, welcome to Make We Yan Tori, where we dey break law stories for your side every day. No dulling. Make you no forget to subscribe, like and share. Jide na that kind guy wey dey always drop funny memes for group chat. Office people sef dey wait for him update every morning. One day, as Lagos heat dey high and everybody dey complain about fuel and wahala, Jide see one meme online. He edit am small, add one caption wey shade one local politician. He post am for WhatsApp and Instagram. People laugh tire. Comments full everywhere. Jide, you don kill us o. But wetin Jide no know be say, one person for him office silently vex. Next day, as Jide dey press laptop for office like say nothing happen, two police officers just enter. Who be Jide? Office go quiet. Even AC sef con dey sound loud. Na so Inspector Bala carry am go station. Jide shock. Oga, na meme o. Meme. Case reach court, everywhere full. Some people sef come just to hear wetin happen. Magistrate Funke look Jide well, come ask, you post this thing? Jide nod slowly. Yes ma, but na joke o. Inspector Bala talk say the post fit damage reputation and incite people. Magistrate come adjust glasses, talk calmly. Freedom of expression dey, but e get limit. You no suppose use joke take insult or create problem. Court quiet. Then she look Jide again. This one go serve as warning. Next time, e no go funny. Jide released with serious warning, but that day, guy humble finish o. From that moment, before Jide post anything, he go first read am like 5 times. Social media dey fun o, but no forget say law still dey watch. No be everything you fit post. Be honest, una don ever post something wey almost put una for trouble? Drop your story make we hear. Till next time, na Make We Yan Tori, where gist dey teach sense.